Hey everyone, Maria here with A-1 Tool. Thank you for joining me today as I'm going to be giving you an up-close look at the Tequila tools. Now the Tequila tools you may have heard about. They were designed by Anson and they're made right here at A-1 Tool. So now we're going to be carrying them, and so it's my job to make sure they get sold. So today I'm going to give you just the up-close look at what you're dealing with, how many sets we offer, the lengths, the diameters, and so forth. So let's get started. All right, first of all, these tools are made of spring steel, so they're going to be super duper strong. You're going to love the power behind them. The thing to know about the Tequila tools now is that now they're made with black oxide coating. Black oxide coating is a nice protective coating that's going to keep your tools prettier longer, because we all know we love them to be nice. Hey Crystal, nice, thank you for joining me. So these black oxide, it makes a nice black sheen anyway, so it makes them really nice, and it does protect them. So wanted you to know that. Also, I wanted to share with you some of the comments I've been seeing all around Facebook about these tools. I thought, you know, there's some people that have really been checking them out, that have bought them, that have used them, and here's what they have to say. First of all, they have been called the aluminum and strong steel killers. These are great for aluminum. These are also going to be the tools that you're going to want if you do hail or if you do door dings. These are fantastic for those. One person said, I believe it was Vince, he said, these are going to replace a lot of the hand tools on your cart. So you're going to want this set. Hey Andy, thanks for joining me. One of the most exciting news about these that I've noticed is especially the 7/32 set, which is a set of 6. These will give you amazing access. You will get to go into places you've never been able to go before. You are not going to have the snail trail. You're going to be able to just go right on in, just sneak right up and over and get to where you need to be without the fight. You're just going to be able to slide it in and get to work. So that, I think, is one of the best sellers about these tools. Now, what makes them able to do all of this? Well, I'm going to show you the shape of it. So first of all, you've got this great handle, which is very, very simple. Thanks, Crystal, I appreciate that. You've got this nice grip here, but what you're going to notice is this nice arch or this nice curve. This is what's going to allow you to sneak in. And this 7/32, this is so narrow, it's going to allow you to fit right into a 1/4 inch manufactured hole. So you're going to be able to slide in. It's got a super sharp tip, by the way. Look at that, very sharp. And see how that kick is? It's got a nice long kick, nice sharp tip, and you're going to just be able to slide right on in and, like I said, get to work. So I wanted to share with you about that. One person said the sharp tips work the metal like a dream. Okay, that's just amazing. Something else someone said is they have a ton of leverage while having just a little bit of flex, just a little. Although I get no flex here, but maybe some of the longer tools, we'll see. But it's really super strong. One person said this set of tools, they're going to help you save time and stress, because again, you're not having to fight. You're just going to glide right on in and get to work. Okay. Let's see what else I want to share. Okay, let me share with you about the different tool sets. First of all, I want to go over with you the Grande set. I'm going to turn this around and show you what you get with the Grande set. The Grande set, that's what I call it. It's the largest set that we have, and you get 12 tools. Now the 12 tools, the 12 pieces, it's going to average you $59 a tool. That's a great deal, $59 a tool, and it's $709 for the set. These are going to have, you know, all the sizes, the 1/4 inch, the 5/16, the 3/8. Okay, all of that's going to be given, and you've got these right and left. So you get part of the 1/4 inch set, and you've got the right and left. The 1/4 inch set, by the way, has the black spine. So I'm going to be sharing more, breaking it down for you in just a minute. But let me go ahead and turn the camera around so to show you this Grande set. So let me see if I can maneuver this. All right, and okay, here you go. This is the Grande set. So you've got, you'll see how you've got the red and black. That's your 2 1/4 inch. And this is your other. This is your right 1/4 inch in the blue and black. Black spine's a 1/4 inch. So they come in 2 lengths, 9 and 13. Okay. If you just wanted to get the 1/4 inch set, that's going to be $210. Okay. That's 4. Okay. Let's move to the next. You're also going to be getting in that Grande set, you're going to be getting the 5/16 lengths. Okay. And those are the ones that have this blue spine. So you've got here and here, and then here's your right side, here and here. Now those, the 5/16, they come in lengths of 14 and 18 inches. The 5/16 sets, $245. Okay? Okay, let's say you want the Grande set, and another thing that's offered is the 3/8 length. Okay? Those are the ones that have red here. So you've got the left and you've got the right as part of this Grande set. And the Grande set, the 3/8 lengths, if you just wanted just the 3/8 length set, it's $269. But again, if you want to just go ahead and go for Grande, get them all, get all 12 of them, it's $709, and it is, you're looking at $59 a tool. Okay, so that would save you money to get the set. So once again, to break it down, you've got subsets. You've got your left 1/4 inch, your right 1/4 inch. That's a 1/4 inch set. Or you've got the 5/16 set. That's these two. And then your rights. These two right here, 5/16. Okay. Or you've got the 3/8. That's these two and these two. The 3/8 set here. That is $269. Or like Crystal saying, go for Grande. Yes, she says, they have them and they love them. So go for Grande. Now another thing, another set that we sell is the 7/32. Now this is a very popular set. This is the one I'm telling you, you can sneak into those 1/4 inch access holes and you can just slip right in, go in nice and easy, no fighting. This is super popular. This set, which comes with 3, you get 3 left, and let's see, the 3 left, you've got a 7-inch, 11, and 15. Okay, so you've got your left, and you've got your right over here, okay? So the 7/32 set, that's 6 pieces for $329. So yeah, they are awesome. Yes, Lucas, I was just sharing earlier, I was looking at all the groups and seeing what people were saying about it. And Lucas, I noticed that you said, hey, these are great, helps you get through braces, helps you save time and stress, because you can just, yeah, get in there and just, let me get this one here. Get in there and just slide right in. Up and over. Look at that nice curve. Look at that kick. I'll try to give you the up close. And notice it's shaved on the bottom. You can see that. And shaved on the top. And then it's rolled. Can you tell that? I don't know if you can tell that. So this curve allows you to have access to all kinds of places that you may have struggled with, like the front of hoods and things like that. So super, super nice. So any questions? Any questions about these? Let me try to get a close-up on some of these tips. Look at those. Oh yeah, this goes 1/4 inch all the way up to 3/8. Look at those. So once again, two of the larger sets, the Grande, that is $709. You've got the 7/32, which is very popular, most popular. This is $329, or like I said, you can break them down into small sets. 1/4 inch here and here. You get these 4. Okay, let me see if I can do this. That's the 1/4 inch set right there. If you want to get 5/16, so we're going to rack these up here, and here's your 5/16 set with the blue spine. If you want the 3/8, you go to low power mode, you get these right here. So those are the subsets. So anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up here. Thank you so much for following. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to field those questions and get you the answers you need. But you guys, you're going to love them. Thank you. I appreciate that, Faith. I appreciate that. So yes, and please stay tuned because we are going to be releasing some new tools next week, so I'm super excited. Please keep checking back with us. Please download the app. Please shop on that, please, because I get extra credit points if you order on our app. And every time you order on the app, and let's say you place an order and it's $150 and up, okay, if you do that, you will help us to donate money to Crystal with CD Dent. So you want to do that, you want to help Crystal, and so please make sure that you do that. Also, if you spend over $150 on the app, you will get a free t-shirt. Just let me know your size, okay? Let me know because I want to make sure you get your A1 shirt. And those of you that have gotten our new Push Metal A1 shirts, please wear them. Please get a picture for me. Please take pictures of our tools. Whoop, whoop. Because we want to make sure that everybody sees those brand new shirts that Crystal helped us design. So thanks a lot, everybody. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned because we're going to be having new tools released next week. Thanks, everyone.